UPF is another very important part of the 5G core network. It is important because UPF is the point of contact of the data network with the 5G core network. And whenever data packets arrive from the data network, it is the UPF that decides that where it needs to route those packets. Similarly, on the other sides, UPF is the anchor for the user equipment. What does that mean? That means that, for example, this user equipment has established a PDU session with the UPF. Now, if this user is moving, it may go from the coverage area of one GNB to another GNB, but it would always be anchored with this UPF. That means that it would always have its PDU session established with this UPS, no matter with which GNB this user equipment is connected. So UPF is the anchor point for this PDU session of this user equipment. Also, we discussed earlier that it is PCF that decides that what would be the quality of service of this PDU session, and this decision is then uh, taken by the SMF, and it is then intimated to the UPF. So the enforcement of this quality of service decision is done by the UPF. It is the UPF that implements the quality of service for this PDU flow. Now, if you compare it with the LT, the functions of the UPF are very similar to PDN gateway data plane in the LT.